Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Ikmah Hakim bin Muhammad Noor. I'm final year student from University Tun Hussein of Malaysia, BTHM, and I'm from Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing. For today, I would like to present my final year project, which is a numerical simulation on lateral collapse of bamboo form composite field in hollow cylindrical tube subjected to quasi-static loading. First of all, I would like to thank the people who continue to support, advise, and assist me in the growth of this project. I am very indebted to my supervisor, Dr. Zaliha binti Muhammad, for her encouragement, continuous supervision, and kindness in completing this project. And not to forget to both panel, Dr. TS Dr. Muhammad Faisal and Dr. Fazimah. Okay, for the outline presentation, for the chapter 1 is introduction, consists of 4 subtopics. First, background of study, problem statement, objective and scope of study. For the second chapter, which is literature review, uh, consists 3 parts, physical and mechanical properties, specific gravity and compressive properties. For the chapter 3, methodology consists of 3 big part, which is a simulation using Abacus software, flowchart and solution setup. For the chapter 4, analysis and discussion, I'm gonna talk about energy absorption, observation, general behavior and validation. For the last chapter, conclusion, consists 2 part, which is a finding summary and recommendation. For the background of study, many studies have been done by using accessible natural capital. Bamboo is an example of natural resources that have the ability to replace reinforced concrete with steel reinforcement. Bamboo is commonly regarded as a giant grass, rising steadily in tropical and subtropical areas. Using bamboo, we can suitable for the substitution of steel reinforcement bar in concrete. Secondly, commercialized extensively as emphasis is concentrated only on handicraft, wood and furniture industry. For the third background study, physical properties of bamboo. And lastly, this study is conducted to obtain energy absorption of bamboo via Abacus simulation. In this research, using of bamboo as a low-cost building material of reinforcement in concrete need to be identified and analyzed. The mechanical and physical properties of bamboo after going through the few methods that related can be identified by conducting mechanical and physical testing. For the problem statement of this research is to increase the potential of using bamboo tube as a good energy absorbing natural material. Secondly, focus on understanding the energy absorbing characteristic of this core structure under static loading condition. And lastly, performance of bamboo in terms of mechanical and physical. For the objective of study are to investigate the energy absorption during lateral collapse and to investigate the characteristic form field in hollow cylindrical tube during the collapse. For the scope of study consists of 5 parts, which is focus on different thickness of bamboo composite in hollow cylindrical tube. Secondly, Abacus simulation as the finite element software. And thirdly, energy absorption is important aspect that should be considered in designing structure that experiencing a collapse. For the fourth, the thickness of bamboo using 22.5 millimeter, 3.2 millimeter, and 4.0 millimeter. And finally, study the numerical simulation model of bamboo form field in hollow silicate tube subjected to quasi-static loading. For the literature review, consists three big parts, which is physical and mechanical properties. That is, aging of bamboo comb affect the physical and mechanical properties of bamboo differ with the thickness. Secondly, compressive properties, and as the age increase, the compressive stress of bamboo increase perpendicular to longitudinal direction. And finally, numerical simulation capable of modeling crushworthiness problems and had been used to study the behavior of absorbing components. A flowchart is generally used in order to convey the steps and sequence of a particular process in infographic display in correct order. The utilization of flowchart in the methodology is important in order to generate clearer insights regarding the method used in study. You can see create the model geometry of the material, apply interaction, boundary and step procedure, machine, data processing, simulating visualization, graph visualization, and refinish. For the mechanical behavior of the hollow cylindrical tube, the effect of the bamboo form field was carried out using finite element program code Abacus. The tube had a dimension 63.5 millimeter and diameter and 200 millimeter height and three different wall thickness, which is 2.5 millimeter, 3.2 millimeter, and 4.0 millimeter. Two-dimensional models were developed using this program, which their arrangement upper rigid body act as a plate that apply force and lower rigid body as at support base. And finally, all the parts were assembled and apply the interaction and boundary condition. The model containing circular and rectangular shape geometry. The construction of mesh need to be applied carefully so that the element can be formed in cubic shape. The bamboo have a feature and circular hollow while the plate rectangular shape, so the partition made in the part section has helped the machine be constructed easily. And the table of mechanical properties of bamboo 2.5 have a density which 922, young modulus 8250. For the 3.2 wall thickness have a density 1180 and conceive young modulus 10560. For the 4.0 millimeter wall thickness density 1475 and young modulus 13200. Using Abacus used for both modeling and analysis of mechanical component and assemblies, pre-processing and visualization, the finite element analysis result. Abacus is a suite of powerful engineering simulation program and can run and specifically in impact or energy absorption, and finally can be solved problem ranging from relatively simple linear analysis the most challenging nonlinear simulation. For the first chapter 4, I'm going to talk about energy absorption, EA. Energy absorption is one of the important aspects that should be considered in designing a structure that experiences a collapse. We study the mechanical energy absorption. The other aspects that should be considered are the collapse load, collapse efficiency, specific energy, and unbalancing. For we can use this equation where the energy absorbed E in unit kilojoule has been calculated up to maximum crush distance. The max in millimeter and E and F is the crushing force in kilonewton. For the energy absorption, form field in hollow silicon tube are considered to be desired energy absorber and significantly enhanced by foam filling. For the observation part, consists three modes. For the first mode, initial, the load rigid body was applied gradually until the deformation have achieved one-time period, which was set for the quasi-static body. For the cross head speed applied in the simulation model was 8 mm per minute. For the second mode, which is a continuous mode, we can see when the load was applied, the model was started to deform the oval shape mode, and at the same time the bamboo form element also compressed to deformation form. For the last part, which is a collapse mode, a figure of 8 was formed during the final stage of failure, and the simulation progress status show complete message. Uh, this is an example of deformation of antitube. The deformation was decreased and it became slowly by increasing bamboo percentage for every thickness. This was due to crystalline cellulose content of bamboo fibers that act as a fibering force. It can be vary between 44% and 57% in natural fiber. This is a result that I get from energy absorption in Abacus. For the thickness 2.5 is 13.04, for the experimental 14 and 49. For the 3.2 millimeter thickness, for the finite element analysis, contain 45.75 joule. For energy absorption for experimental, contain 43.34 joule. For the 4.0 millimeter thickness, for the finite element analysis, 63.13 joule, and experimental 64.94 joule. The discussion part, a figure of force versus displacement graph for the three tube. The energy absorption due to form field increase depend on the cross-sectional area and the form strength, which is by increasing the bamboo percentage in biofoam. The figure show energy absorption for all thickness on various percentage of bamboo form field in hollow tube. It was observed the lower density of bamboo form field in hollow silicon tube was almost ineffective in increasing the energy absorption. The altitude 50% tube, 50% and 20% form field tube have a similar behavior. The 10% bamboo percentage give the large effect of a force displacement curve and is the best energy absorption performance due to high fiber reinforcement property. For the discussion and validation part, figure show example of force versus load, which is a displacement graph for model 3.2 for the 0%. This situation was made the agreement with the experimental study, and it was illustrated in figure. For the last chapter conclusion, In the static simulation were done with a finite element program. Barcodes and energy absorption performance for each model was determined. For the second, the simulation result was agreed the experimental result, although the value of the energy absorption is a little bit different. And thirdly, the effect of form field and the wall thickness influence the deformation mode and force displacement behavior. It is an effective device in absorbing energy and suitable applied to the various vehicles, especially car, in order to avoid competing for severe injury when the crash occur. There are few improvements and recommendations that can be implemented on this study for future and reference. Firstly, usage of bamboo with different thickness should be investigated to determine the mechanical and physical properties of the material. Next, apply different mechanical and physical testing to determine the microstructure, properties and behavior of bamboo. The result from the upcoming research can be analyzed and making comparison to study the ability and potential of bamboo waste to be used as a reinforcement in concrete or building material. That's all for me, and thank you for spending your time.